Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte, the Philippines. And we're working late tonight. Once they start tiling the room, they don't want to stop. So I need to finish that room tonight. And I got guys working late, and they're going to be hungry. So we come here to Estong Manok Iliempo. So I don't know why Estong, I think it's the name. Manok means chicken, Iliempo means pork. So we bought 3 chickens here. And he's going to chop it up with me, for me, into little pieces. And everybody can have at least a little snack after we get done. And it smells really, really good. So he's just got these on a stick. See this chain mechanism here. An electric motor. And a hood for ventilation. Looks really good. Hililiempo? Hililiempo? What's your name? Jason. So this is Jason. Let's say hello, Jason, to YouTube. Hello. He's bagging each one. And I brought a shopping bag with me to carry it home, man. It makes it a little easier. So this is just out here on the street. I parked across the street and walked across because, as you can see, traffic is really heavy. And, well, it's not as bad as usual, actually. It's usually a lot worse than this at 5:30. I don't know what it is, but anyhow, that street there goes, it's a shortcut to our house. So, and they've got a little sorry store here. So, ice or ice water. Well, it's ice water in a bag. Tagbila, yeah. $750. Do I get the Guapo discount?
There's no
The Guapo discount. Joke line. So I made my joke here with Jason, and I'm going to pay. So I'm going to sign off. Tito Jeff here, Ormoc City, Leyte, the Philippines.